First, using a file and then a metal burnishing tool, I beveled the edges of the plate. This makes it safer for handling and also protects the felt when running it through the press. Using acetic acid and talcum powder, I degreased the plate so that it is better able to accept drawing material. Using a soft rubber roller, I apply acrylic Softground to the decreased copper plate. Next, I place a leaf between the felts and the plate. Running these through the press will create an impression of the plant in the Softground, which I can then etch into the copper plate. I back the plate with contact paper to prepare for etching. In the same step, adhering a thin copper strip to the back of the plate. This strip will connect the copper plate to the positive electrical wire. The negative wire is attached to a cathode grid, and the electricity moving between these 2 points of contact will carry copper particles from exposed areas of the plate to the surface of the grid, resulting in an etching. I scrub the Softground off of the plate to reveal the newly etched material, but I will have to ink the plate up in order to see how the etching turned out. Intaglio printing works by pushing ink into the crevices made in metal. After repeated wiping, only the etched areas of the plate will hold ink, creating the image. Soaking cotton rag paper in water will help improve the quality of the print. After running the plate through the press, I can finally see how my image turned out. It looks like my background is pretty dark. My scraping and burnishing tools, I knock down some of the ridges in the background so that they can't retain as much ink. This time when I print, the leaves stand out much more. If you want to see me color this print in with paints, check out my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel and videos like this. Thank you.